In this episode, we're removing a perfectly running Cummins out of my pickup truck so we can put a more reliable engine in it. That's right, we're putting the 6.4 Power Stroke back in this 2008 F250. All right, guys. I was kind of just trolling on you. We're not putting a 6.4 back in this, but the Cummins is coming out. What we're going to do is put a P-pumped 12 valve in this. And I know I could just put the P-pump on this engine, switch the timing cover over and everything, but it's a lot simpler for me. I already have another P-pumped engine. I'm just going to pull out this first gen VE injection pump and throw the whole entire engine in. I've doing a whole build on that. You guys will probably see that here in a couple other videos, but for right now, we got to start by removing this because there's parts on this that I need for that other engine, like the adapter plate. I need the flex plate. I need the fan off the front of this. There's just a bunch of parts that can't happen until this happens. So with no further ado, I have a bunch of people here to help me. By a bunch, I mean one other person. We're going to just tear into this and see just how fast we can remove this. We only got about 2.5 hours. What do you need a bucket for?
I want to try to contain transmission cord.
Let it go.
I'm not trying to drown us. All
right, you're going to roll around.
It's environmentally friendly. Let it go.
All right, you're going to roll around in the fluid then.
Oh, crap.
Huh?
Yeah, you might want to find a
Hey,
bucket.
but there's a drain right under there. We'll be fine.
Overkill.
Do you want me to leave the can of brake clean in it?
Oh, hey, that bucket has a hole in it.
Good enough. I don't think you have any bugs that I hold.
I don't think I do either, but if you find one, let me know. It'll be a keeper.
You have a kidney for me? No.
There is one around here. Good luck.
All right, let me grab. You have the 8 mil, right?
No.
No?
Go find your own.
Oh, wow.
Took me a while to find mine.
How long will it take you to get out this whole radiator?
5 more minutes.
Come on.
I said 5 minutes. How much time do we have?
1.5.
Oh, biscuits and sausage gravy. Come on. Get her. She'll come. If you sense it resisting, pull harder.
Oh.
No, not the powder coating.
You said pull harder.
Time made.
Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the whole manifold and the turbo off at one go. There's a little access panel down there, little access hole in the bell housing, and I need to get to the torque converter bolts. And it's kind of tight between the turbo, the motor mounts, and This is a two-piece manifold from BD, so it'll come off pretty easy.
Is it easier to go through the fender well or not?
No, no. Oh, and I sent my helper down there. We're trying to maximize, you know, our areas of expertise.
Can you pass me a 13?
No, get your own. On what drive?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
As long as you go.
You're never gonna see that again.
He found it.
I stand corrected. It's a foolproof system.
It is. Just drop a socket and it ends up someplace.
Pass it through the truck, hope it gets.
There is a drain underneath this truck though, so it could end up in China. And country of origin. So, do you guys think we're gonna hit that 2.5 hour mark to getting this out of here? Leave a comment. Did you even show them what time it was?
No, not when we originally started, but I mean, it was around 9:20-ish.
Great.
So we're at 9:46 right now. So I mean, we're at 25 minutes. It's not bad.
I need to invest in some power tools. Don't stop. I should have stopped a long time ago, actually.
Bye-bye.
Heap hob, heap hob, heap hob, heap. Oh yeah, we're just gonna pull everything with it. Dipstick, everything.
Hey, transmission's got code.
Yup! Oh my gosh, biscuits and gravy.
Wow.
That's a big turbo.
Did you kill yourself?
A little bit. Room! Hey, look, that's why we did it. Look how much room we have now.
I can see a starter now.
Yeah,
Somebody could sit up here.
I know.
You just opened up a seat.
I did. Seat.
You just got to really watch out for the fan.
Yeah, don't fire this thing up. It'll take my femoral artery right out, you know? Is that what it's called?
I heard you could live without that.
Yeah, maybe Lieutenant Dan.
Lieutenant Dan.
I ain't got no legs. See what we got. A lot of weight.
Alright, you're against firewall.
We gotta be up over. Oh boy.
Watch your
AC compressor. Oh, hold on. Let me get that out of the way.
You got. Go up another about 1/4 inch. We might be able to clear it that way.
Oh,
Alright, you're above cross member. It looks like.
crunch! I love it. Oh, you smell
Run free. Ready?
Oh boy. Here, let me get behind this directly. You want to get that harness past the adapter plate there? We're not home free. We're caught on something. Fuel line. Grab a pocket knife. Or a razor blade or something.
That it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Now let's go.
Oh, she's out.
You did that at like 45 minutes ahead of schedule too.
What time is it?
11:04.
What time we start? 9:30?
9:20-ish.
9:20ish. I'll take it. 2 hours.
Nice.
So now I can get that all cleaned up. Hit it with the pressure washer. Well, we made it up the hill. All we're trying to do is just get in here and hit it with the pressure washer and clean it up a little bit. Because nothing goes better than a bunch of water and a whole bunch of open connectors.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Pop that hood. Let's
Oh boy.
hit the hole with some better lighting.
You want to see the hole?
Yeah.
I'll let you see the hole. Ta-da!
Wow. It's like a hidden compartment. Without being so hidden. Looks a little empty. Something else supposed to be in there?
Yeah,
Yeah?
working on it.
Okay.
But How'd you find me?
It was making too weird of a noise to be a Cummins.
Okay. We got the 5.9 Cummins out. Like I said, this is a first gen, and it has the VE injection pump made by Bosch. So we're going to put a P7100 engine in this thing. That would be the P-pumped Cummins. And just for, you know, controlling smoke, a little bit more power, just for drivability purposes. And I got the engine dirt cheap, so I'm going through it right now. You guys will see a video of that put up next, and then hopefully here soon we can have this thing shoved back in here. But like I said, that's going to do it for this video. So if you want to see more on this project, make sure you hit that notification bell. If you like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, guys, till next time, keep on wrenching.